Running a small business, whether it's a retail store, cafe, food truck, or salon, requires a reliable and user-friendly point of sale system. That's where Loyverse POS shines. Loyverse is a free, cloud-based POS platform designed for small to mid-sized businesses, offering core functionality to help you manage sales, inventory, staff, and customer relationships, all from a mobile device. It's one of the most accessible and flexible POS systems on the market in 2025, with zero monthly fees for its main features and optional paid add-ons for growing businesses. Whether you're processing walk-in orders, monitoring inventory, or building customer loyalty, Loyverse provides the tools you need in a simple, intuitive package. In this video, we'll walk you through Loyverse's most important features and explain how Loyverse can support your business operations and growth day in and day out. So, for its key features and benefits, first is its fast, flexible setup and mobile POS interface. Getting started with Loyverse is simple. Just download the app on your iOS or Android device, create an account, and begin adding your products, prices, and categories. You can customize the layout, create product variants, and set modifiers for services or menu items. The system supports barcode scanning and can work offline, syncing when a connection is restored. It's perfect for small businesses and pop-up shops that need to get up and running quickly without costly hardware. You can operate the POS from a tablet or phone and expand later with receipt printers or cash drawers as needed. Another key feature is the smooth sales processing and receipt management. Loyver supports multiple payment types, including cash, integrated credit card processors, and custom methods. Sales are quick to process, and you can create open tickets, apply discounts, split bills, or issue refunds. Receipts can be emailed, printed, or skipped entirely for speed. This enhances customer checkout experience while giving you the flexibility to handle different payment scenarios, ideal for both fast-paced environments and stores that want to offer a polished, digital-first experience. Another key feature is the robust inventory management. Manage thousands of SKUs with real-time stock updates. You can track inventory by location, set minimum stock alerts, and even build composite items. The system notifies you when items are running low and helps streamline reordering. This reduces manual inventory work, prevents stockouts, and ensures you always know what's available. Great for businesses with frequent product changes or seasonal stock shifts. Another key feature is the customer loyalty program and CRM tools. Loyverse comes with a built-in loyalty program that lets you reward repeat customers with points per purchase. You can store customer profiles, track their purchase history, and view top spending clients. It's easy to segment your audience and send out targeted messages or offers. This boosts customer retention and encourages return visits. Over time, you can build deeper relationships and create marketing strategies based on real customer behavior. Another key feature is the insightful sales analytics and employee tracking. The back office dashboard gives you detailed sales reports, trend graphs, and performance data by item, category, or employee. You can monitor sales by hour, identify best selling products, and see how your staff is performing. This gives you the data to make smarter business decisions, optimize staffing, and improve sales. Knowing what's working and what's not helps you adapt quickly. So, why is Loyverse a great choice? Loyverse is a powerful choice for entrepreneurs and small business owners who want a feature rich POS system without the burden of subscription fees. It delivers functionality that rivals paid systems, from real time inventory and sales analytics to customer loyalty and mobile management. Its clean interface, cloud syncing, and mobile first approach make it easy to use on the go or in store. Plus, with available add ons for employee management, advanced inventory, and integrations with popular printers and payment processors, you can scale your setup as your business grows. Another standout benefit is the support community and documentation. With online chat support, tutorials, and user forums, even non technical users can get help fast. So for 2025, Loyverse continues to serve as a top choice for retail, hospitality, and service businesses looking for simplicity, flexibility, and serious value. So if you're looking for a reliable, user-friendly POS system that won't drain your budget, Loyverse POS is well worth considering. It's fast to set up, easy to use, and loaded with practical features to help you manage sales, stock, customers, and team members all from your phone or tablet. Whether you're just opening your first storefront or expanding your business to multiple locations, Loyverse gives you the freedom to grow without being locked into expensive contracts or complicated systems. Start using Loyverse POS today and experience how a streamlined, modern point of sale system can transform your daily operations and help your business thrive. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.